Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is April 28th, 2016, and today is Thursday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, we had a couple of numbers coming out of the Japanese yen. We'll see that in a moment. Later today, we got a couple of numbers coming out. 2:30 South African time, we have a couple of numbers coming out of the United States, preliminary GDP numbers, and a weekly unemployment numbers. So two minor-ish numbers coming out this afternoon, but looking at the markets. Okay, so number one, okay, we're going to discuss this just because it's was the most potent yesterday. Had a big move yesterday in the Dow Jones. Okay, yesterday we had a amazing trading day, really because of what was going on with the FOMC statement. Finally got it out there. The FOMC statement we came out yesterday, and as that news actually came out, things initially tanked, and then we rallied right back up. We rallied quite steeply, and we went all the way up to 17,988. At the end of the day. Now, after hours trading, we tanked 100 points, and we're looking at 100 points open down this morning. So we're still at this threshold. We don't like to break it, and it's kind of still very exciting the way the markets are still trading. So, you know, ultimately a lot going on. So I'd be interested to see how the Dow Jones unfolds today. Apple came out with weaker earnings yesterday. Okay, Apple Computers, which is one of the biggest components in the U.S. in terms of size of the company. So they said that they had lower sales in iPhones, etc. It doesn't really matter. The stock is down maybe 8 points yesterday, trading at, I believe, a high of $98 a share. So, you know, the markets are going to be affected by negative news like that. Now, as such, you know, the euro rallied yesterday, as you can see here. Initially, we tanked, and then, boom, we rallied right back up to 13,405. And we're inching into this 114 level, and it just seems like we're getting stronger and stronger every time we're retracing. We're making higher lows, and we're, you know, breaking out higher. So ultimately, I'd look for some sort of continuation in the Euro USD. The USD Japanese yen, some news came out of the Japanese yen this morning, some favorable news for the Japanese economy, and that in turn is going to bring the USD Japanese yen further down, making the Japanese yen stronger. The US dollar is weaker. So ultimately, we're trading at 108.77. This is a big retracement for the yen. You know, we saw a high of 125, which was unprecedented just last May. So, you know, ultimately, a big correction in the market for the USD Japanese yen. You know, trading over 200 pips, 250 pips this morning on the way down. Maybe look to fade it a little bit, but I'm not so sure. You know, it's quite a drop, and it doesn't look like it's bouncing. So we may even see this 108.31 on a lower level. Okay, this is a support level just about right here, and if we do break that, we could definitely hit 104 or 100-ish level by the summer. So look at that, okay, as that unfolds this week. Looking at oil, big rally yesterday, $45 a barrel. We're selling off a little bit here, but a big rally yesterday, a whole buck, okay, for the oil. So oil's been strong, Dow has been weak, the USD, Euro USD has been getting a little bit stronger versus the dollar. The dollar usually tanks in such bad news. So there's a nice rotation in the markets. There's a lot of activity. May look to fade the Dow Jones this morning, see if it opens up and rallies a little bit to make up for that loss in overnight. And, you know, as the day progresses, you'll see some more opportunities. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.